Stop scrolling. Seriously, if you don't check this out right now, you're going to miss one of the best products you'll see today. Here's why everyone's talking about it. It performs flawlessly, it's built solid, and it's ridiculously easy to use. So easy that anyone can get great results instantly. People keep buying it, using it, and then coming back saying, "This is actually better than I expected." And they're right. It's fast, it's smooth, it's clean, and it just works. So here's the deal. Click the link in the description. Go look at it. Try it. You have nothing to lose and a seriously great experience to gain. Don't wait. This is the one people are grabbing before it blows up even more. Wait, don't scroll. Trust me, there's a reason I'm telling you to hit the link in the description. This product has been getting massive attention because it's genuinely... Stop scrolling. Seriously, if you don't check this out right now, you're going